Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And in yesterday's video on Monday, I talked about how the triple bottom bounce had already been underway. And the question going into today was, all right, is this pattern going to get that much more continuation? And yeah, it absolutely did. Got the gap up and then just continued on up. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do a little house cleaning, delete that line out. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations all over the place. So let's keep mapping this out as clean as possible from the presentation standpoint. The first update, though, that doesn't even need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $48, one of the newest areas of support. Although given, that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support up here to now 48.75. And the key dynamic there is, all right, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, assuming in you're bullish or assuming you're long, that's always good. Support levels that need to be adjusted higher, a good thing. And then, of course, if I was adjusting this level of support lower, that wouldn't be so good. But in this situation, adjusted it higher. And then from more so the overarching standpoint, just continue to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is just going to move itself higher and higher as the week plays out. So as far as gauging the health of the current bounce, that right there I'm defining as the bounce. Just watch that purple line. And as long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bounce is 100% fully in the bull's favor. Now, what about levels of resistance moving forward? So for this, I'm actually going to squeeze down the charter a little bit to bring up a little bit more context into where the next couple of key levels of resistance are. In my mind, next key battleground right up there around $50.25. So 50.25, next key battleground going forward. But all in all, very nice movement today. Good to see that this triple bottom bounce got that much more continuation. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.